In today's module, we'll explore the crucial need for diverse and inclusive research teams and how the two, together, promote research excellence. So, let's dive in and discover how embracing EDIA in team member recruitment and composition can elevate the impact of our research endeavors. In this module, we aim to achieve several key learning outcomes. First, you will develop an understanding of the vital significance of cultivating diverse and inclusive research teams within the context of academic research. Second, we'll delve into recognizing the positive impact that diverse perspectives can have on enhancing the overall quality and relevance of research outcomes. As we explore these topics, we will also address potential challenges that may arise and offer insights into overcoming them. Lastly, you will gain practical strategies for both recruiting and fostering diverse and inclusive research teams, contributing to a more equitable and impactful research environment. Diversity is a cornerstone of research excellence, offering a multitude of benefits that significantly impact the quality and relevance of research outcomes. One key advantage lies in the variety of perspectives, experiences, and ideas that a diverse research team brings to the table. This diversity extends beyond visible characteristics, encompassing educational, cultural, and professional backgrounds. It creates a rich tapestry of insights that enhances the overall problem-solving capacity of the team. Comprehensive problem solving is a direct result of this diversity. Faced with complex research questions, a team with varied viewpoints can approach challenges from different angles, leading to more thorough and innovative solutions. Moreover, the inclusion of diverse perspectives ensures that research outcomes are not confined to a narrow demographic. Instead, they consider the nuanced needs and challenges of diverse populations, enhancing their applicability and relevance. Global issues, by their very nature, require a holistic understanding, and diverse research teams are well suited to provide just that. Integration of perspectives rooted in different cultural, social, and geographical contexts allows for a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of multifaceted challenges. This comprehensive approach results in research outcomes that contribute meaningfully to addressing complex global issues. Perhaps most importantly, diverse teams contribute to rigorous and high-quality research outcomes. The collaborative efforts within such teams create an environment that encourages critical thinking and meticulous analysis. This synthesis of varied insights not only meets the highest standards but also pushes the boundaries of excellence, ensuring that research contributions are both impactful and inclusive. In essence, diversity is not just a checkbox, it is an essential element that propels research teams toward excellence. The importance of inclusive research teams in achieving excellence cannot be overstated as well, as they bring a myriad of benefits that significantly contribute to the quality and impact of research outcomes. First and foremost, inclusivity fosters an environment where creativity and innovation thrive. When individuals from diverse backgrounds are empowered to contribute their unique perspectives, it results in a dynamic and innovative problem-solving approach. Moreover, inclusive teams offer a broader range of expertise, bringing together individuals with varied skills, knowledge, and experiences. This diversity enriches the research process, ensuring a more comprehensive and well-rounded exploration of research questions. The impact of research is amplified when conducted by inclusive teams, as their outcomes are more likely to address the needs and challenges of a wider audience, making the findings more relevant and applicable to diverse populations. Finally, in addition to tangible outcomes, inclusive research teams play a crucial role in cultivating a positive research culture. When team members feel valued, included, and respected, it fosters a sense of belonging and motivation to actively engage in the research process. This positive culture contributes to the overall well-being of the team and enhances collaboration. While building diverse and inclusive research teams is crucial for research excellence, it comes with its set of challenges. Implicit biases in the recruitment process can unintentionally favor certain groups, necessitating the implementation of blind recruitment processes to mitigate this challenge. Limited networks pose another challenge, which can be addressed by actively seeking out diverse talent beyond traditional channels. Retention issues may arise, emphasizing the importance of creating an inclusive and supportive work environment through mentorship programs and professional development opportunities. Unequal access to resources is a significant challenge that requires ensuring all team members have fair access to funding, equipment, and opportunities for career advancement. Additionally, resistance to change within the team or institution can be navigated by fostering a culture that values diversity and inclusion, supported by training and education on the benefits of diverse teams. It's also important to acknowledge the role of unconscious biases in influencing the composition and dynamics of research teams. One notable impact is the subtle yet pervasive nature of biases in decision-making processes. These biases may inadvertently favor certain individuals or groups, introducing an unintentional homogeneity to the team's composition. As a consequence, the diversity of perspectives within the research team becomes restricted. Unconscious biases can create blind spots, limiting the team's ability to harness a wide array of experiences and insights. The result is a potential hindrance to the richness of ideas and creativity that diverse perspectives can bring to the research process. Moreover, the effects of unconscious bias extend beyond mere team composition. They can manifest in the dynamics that shape the team's interactions and collaborations. Homogeneous teams, influenced by biases, may inadvertently stifle innovation by fostering an environment where certain voices are amplified, while others, often from underrepresented backgrounds, may be marginalized. In the context of decision-making processes, unconscious bias may erode inclusivity, excluding valuable contributions from team members who bring unique viewpoints. This exclusionary dynamic can impede the team's overall effectiveness and success in achieving research goals. Recognizing and addressing unconscious bias is not just a theoretical consideration, it's a practical necessity for creating an inclusive research environment. By doing so, research teams can break down barriers to equal opportunities, ensuring that each team member has the space and support to contribute their unique strengths to the collective pursuit of knowledge. What are the harms when our research teams are not diverse and not inclusive? In this hypothetical scenario, let's envision a research team solely composed of individuals with similar academic and cultural backgrounds. This homogeneity inadvertently restricts the team's perspectives and experiences, potentially leading to the oversight of crucial variables that could significantly impact workplace productivity. The team's unintentional biases might manifest in flawed research design, compromising the study's objectivity. Moreover, the absence of diverse input could result in the misinterpretation of data, limiting the depth and accuracy of their conclusions. The lack of generalizability in their findings, stemming from a non-diverse team, may render their recommendations less effective for diverse workplace settings. Ultimately, reduced diversity could stifle innovation, hindering the team's ability to explore novel approaches and propose creative solutions to contemporary workplace challenges. This example underscores the critical importance of diversity and inclusion in research teams within business school settings for more robust, relevant, and impactful outcomes. Building diverse research teams is a strategic and intentional process that involves several key steps. Firstly, adopt intentional recruitment strategies that actively seek individuals from diverse backgrounds. This may include outreach to a variety of networks, participation in diverse events, and using inclusive language in job postings. Creating an inclusive environment within the research team is crucial. This involves promoting open communication, mutual respect, and establishing policies that support diversity and inclusion. Offering equal opportunities to all team members, including fair access to resources and mentorship, helps in removing barriers that may disproportionately affect underrepresented individuals. Additionally, the establishment of mentorship programs is instrumental in supporting diversity. These programs connect experienced researchers with those who are underrepresented, providing guidance, support, and opportunities for skill development. By implementing these strategies, research teams can actively contribute to a more inclusive and impactful academic environment. How do we create inclusive job postings? This is a pivotal step in fostering diversity within research teams. One key strategy involves steering clear of gendered language, opting for gender-neutral terms and titles to broaden the appeal of the job and eliminate potential biases. Beyond linguistic considerations, emphasizing a commitment to diversity and inclusion in the team sets the tone for a welcoming and supportive work environment. Job postings should explicitly state a dedication to equal opportunity, ensuring that candidates feel valued regardless of their background. When outlining desired skills, it's crucial to use inclusive language that does not unintentionally exclude certain groups, promoting a more open and accessible application process. Lastly, acknowledging the diverse needs of potential team members by promoting work-life balance and flexible arrangements further enhances the inclusivity of the recruitment process. Similarly, fostering open communication and mutual respect within research teams is paramount for creating an inclusive and collaborative environment. First and foremost, establishing clear and transparent communication channels enables team members to express their thoughts and ideas freely. Encouraging active listening is equally essential, ensuring that every team member's perspective is valued and considered. Implementing regular team meetings and check-ins provides opportunities for open dialogue and the exchange of diverse viewpoints. Cultivating a culture of mutual respect involves recognizing and appreciating the unique strengths and contributions of each team member, irrespective of their background or identity. Establishing guidelines for constructive feedback and creating a safe space for discussions on potential conflicts contribute to an atmosphere where everyone feels heard and respected. There's also the need to ensure equal opportunities for team members. How can you do that? Creating an environment of equal opportunity within research teams involves several key practices. Firstly, ensuring equitable resource allocation is crucial to providing every team member, regardless of their background or status, with fair access to funding, data, and necessary research tools. Additionally, implementing structured mentorship programs allows all team members to benefit from guidance and professional development opportunities. Offering inclusive training opportunities further supports the development of a diverse and skilled team by providing access to relevant programs and workshops. Lastly, establishing transparent evaluation criteria guarantees that performance assessments and promotions are based on clear and unbiased measures, fostering an environment of fairness and equality within the research team. Last but not least, in building diverse and inclusive research teams, mentorship programs play a pivotal role. Initiating targeted mentorship programs for underrepresented members is a proactive step to foster inclusivity. These programs should focus on providing guidance, support, and opportunities for skill development tailored to the unique needs and challenges faced by underrepresented individuals. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions between mentors and ments contribute to a supportive and collaborative atmosphere. The mentorship initiative should be transparent, ensuring all team members have equal access to these opportunities. By establishing such mentorship programs, research teams can actively contribute to the professional growth and success of underrepresented members, enhancing overall diversity and inclusion. In conclusion, building diverse and inclusive research teams is not only an ethical imperative but also a strategic advantage for achieving research excellence. Recognizing and mitigating the effects of unconscious bias is a critical step in fostering an environment where all team members, regardless of their background, can thrive and contribute meaningfully. Embracing diversity is not just about avoiding biases, it's about actively seeking and celebrating differences to enrich the research process. By doing so, research teams can unlock the full spectrum of human experience, fueling innovation, and ensuring that their work is both impactful and relevant to a global audience.